I'm going to show you how to change the light bulb in your tail light in your vehicle.
It's alive, but don't give up, just hold on tight, it'll be alright.
First thing you'll want to do is loosen any screws that you have or anything on the outside that is holding it in, such like a trim piece or anything like that, and you need to loosen those in order to loosen your tail light assembly up. Now some cars are different. Newer vehicles, usually you access the light bulbs from the inside, especially on a tail light, but on pickups and stuff like that, still on the outside. And usually some vans too. Keep the screws here, and then you can see back here you got two lights. They just turn and pop out, and then your light bulbs usually turn and pop out too, but I don't know if they got the right ones. No, they didn't. All right, so we've got two round bulbs, 1156 and 1157. All right, so I'm back from the store, and I've got the bulbs that we need. The right ones, I took the old ones out and took them in. And I suggest when you go to get parts at a store, they don't always pull up the right ones. They didn't pull up the right one for the van the other day, and they didn't pull the right one up for this. So I would say definitely go and take your part in with you when you get a part. And the way these go in, if you have bulbs like this, let me show you. There, you see the little nodule on the side there, the rings. They go in here a certain way, and then you push. They get pushed down and twist and locked into place. And they can only twist and lock in one direction. There we go. Now we'll test it out here. Now you can see it testing. Now we are working. So that's how you replace your turn signal bulbs. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.